I want to do a room tour today. We have a 1-bedroom penthouse and then a deluxe. And this property is pretty interesting because you can do 1, 2, and 3-bedroom units, but I think it's a lot different than what people imagine. And they're more apartment styles than it is actual like rooms, like 3 bedrooms. So I want to show that so people actually understand what they're going to be getting. So I'll take you outside and I'll show you how it works. And so basically there's one main door, and then once you get inside the main door, then that's where the apartments are. So you have one main door, and this door is locked, and your key card is on your wristband. And then you have this little hallway here. And if you had all 3 rooms, you would be able to have access. So we have 2 rooms, so I can get into both rooms with the key card, with the same wristband. So this is the deluxe. You walk in, bathroom. So it's a pretty open concept, so you'll need to keep that in mind, you know, if you're traveling with families. And then this room has double beds. Mini fridge over there, so pretty good size, nice balcony. And then we're gonna go over to the 1-bedroom. And we have a nice big kitchen, dining table, the sofa, so obviously this pulls out to a sofa bed. There's a half bath right over there. And the half bath is only available in the older section. So that's buildings 1 through 14. The newer buildings, the 1-bedrooms do not have the half bath. So if that's important to you, you want to make sure you request the older section. So again, this is an open concept bathroom. So when you have, you know, if you do have people that are sharing with you, when someone is showering, even though the shower is frosted, you know, I have 2 teens with me, so they're not really super comfortable, which is that. So when someone is using the restroom, we close the main bedroom door, and that's that. So it's a little bit different than what people expect, because I think most families assume that everyone's going to be in one place, and you are. If you have all of the 3 rooms, you are in the same place. But if you have smaller kids, it's good to know that it's more apartment style, and that potentially you could be a little bit further away. So like I said, the main door is locked, and then 1, 2, 3. And then for the penthouse, we go right upstairs. This is a great spot to watch the sunset. So this is huge up here. There's also a half bath in here. You could have like a major party up here. I mean, it's huge. It goes all the way around. So a little bolly bed, the tub. You can fill that up, and yeah, and then you have the nice view. All right, so that was the 1-bedroom penthouse and a deluxe, and hopefully you have a better idea of what to expect when you come if you have a couple rooms here. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you'd like to use a travel agent, I would be happy to help you. You can reach out to me on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com and submit a quote request.